Welcome to our video tutorial for search restrictions, found under Website Admin Settings. In this video, we'll cover the detailed settings and options found under search restrictions, such as ways to only include and keep results based on certain criteria, as well as the ability to exclude and remove results based on certain criteria. And with that, let's get started. The first section under search restrictions is only show listings in these locations. By default, all IDX searches will be displayed. An entry in these fields will restrict the results showing just listings with that criteria. It's a way of saying only show me listings with this criteria. This can be set at the state, city, or county level. Next is listing status restrictions. Here you can set listing statuses to exclude. Entries here will not display listings with that listing status. After this is exclude listings. Similar to listing status restriction above, the exclude listings section allows you to mark types to exclude from results. This can be set for listing types as well as property types. And lastly, the option to exclude pending listings from search results is found here. And that concludes our video tutorial for search restrictions found under Website Admin Settings. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. Most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our lead service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.